Yo, what's up, chat? So we back, and I'm ready for Christmas, as y'all can tell. Um, Today we're gonna be opening a lot of lucky blocks, and I had to sell, sadly, a more than 10 mil brain rot. R.I.P. it. So now I don't have anything here, but we got almost an entire base full right now for y'all. So first one we're gonna start off with, and we're gonna end it off with all my OP ones. We're just gonna end it off with secret lucky blocks and the 3 mutation lucky blocks I have, which I have some. First thing we're gonna do is start off with all the normal ones. So let's find a good normal one. Do, do I seriously? Okay, I only have lost lucky block. Normal, but let's hope for a lost tung tung tungs. Not tung tung. Oh yeah, tung tung came back. I got a radioactive one and a normal one. Yay. But lava one? Let's see what we get. Nah, dude, this game's so teasing me. Now we're gonna go for all the one and traded blocks, which we have some down here. Alright, this one didn't get anything good out of. We also didn't get anything good out of this one. Let's see if we get anything good from this one. Ooh, quesadilla. I'll take that. I'll take that. I'll take that. Do we have another? Okay, we have this one. We're saving the secret block though. We're saving that. Okay, lost tortoise. That kinda sucks. Next floor. Let's see. Alright, here's one. And then here's another lost tortoise. Ooh, lost bombonitos there. Oof. We're getting cooked so far. This fire one. 6-7? 6-7 question mark? Nope, no ACO. Now we're gonna go on to the 2 mutations. This one is gonna be OP. I can already tell. Dang it didn't have to know my hotspot in it. I wish it did. Can we please get something good? Oh my god. Dude, I'm finna actually crash out. Do I have a 2 mutation one down here? Oh yeah, I do. I have a gold. We're saving this one though. It's kind of OP, I probably have. Actually, no, we're just gonna open it. Let's sell this. That almost made a mill. Wow. Let's hope. Lost 6-7. Nope, no 6-7. Last chance with you. And then we have all the OP ones last. Oh, I can already tell. Let me just tell this. Y'all didn't see that. It was a long grande, I swear. We're gonna end it off with the lost lucky ball. But we're gonna open this. You saw question mark? Almost saw secret though. I wish it was. We don't want a tortoise. Legrande? You know what?
Tralalelo tralala.
Chad, I think I might be cooked. You only got a quesadilla so far. Eeny, meeny, miny, mo, I choose you. With the lost 6-7. Oh! Oh! That just hurts. What? Chat. We gotta hope. We gotta pray. This one has something good in it. So everybody, please wish me good luck with this one. I'm gonna do a countdown. 3, 2, 1. Go, I'm closing my eyes. It's done. Yeah, chat, y'all did not see that, bro. Ain't no way our only good thing was a quesadilla, bro. If this was a burrito bambito, it'd make at least 20 mil. I'd be good with that. But anything. I wish I got an e-stock. That's one thing I want. I've never even had an e-stock ever. Oh yeah, also this is my prized possession cappuccino. Guys, we missed out on a lot of lucky blocks. I would have had a force rated one as well, but I had not enough room. But I could have sold that cappuccino. Look at all this. I don't have any of this. Why would you put a chill and chili? Those are unattainable. Unobtainable. If I had a lost 6-7, bro. Guys, I'll record if I get an elephant or meow or any secret.